So now literally all of us are sitting on a single rock, that is our consciousness. I'm going to start the process from there. And
Hello. Can you give the technical definition of biomemory versus bioenergy?
for example, you may be thinking, I am male, this age, from this nation, but belongs to a citizen of this nation and this language. You have certain ideas about you. Always, end of the day, you want all the results of your action to come to that. Understand? This is biomemory. What you cognize as you, that's biomemory. Bioenergy is really what you are, but not shown by what you think as you. Most of the time, what you think as you hides you from what you are.
So the biomemory is the layers of conditioning on personality,
Yes,
identity.
personality, identity. Bioenergy is the source of all that. I can say almost consciousness.
And biomemories can go from one janma to the other?
Yes, biomemories only goes from one janma to other. Muscle memories don't go. That is why, for example, if somebody kills 200 persons, the 200 person got killed, that memory never goes to next janma, but the attitude of killing goes to next janma.
So in that
So
example,
the biomemory is karma, not muscle memory.
got it. So in that example you gave about consciousness being the sun and jivatmas being a mirror,
Yes.
biomemory is the
Yes,
mirror.
I can say what is mirroring, that is bioenergy.
Okay.
And the light around the bioenergy can be called as biomemory.
So when that mirror breaks
Yes.
on death,
That is more a muscle memory, body. Mirror breaks, mirror itself does not go, but that reflection goes to another mirror,
and that's biomemory.
biomemory.
And the sun is the bioenergy.
I can say the center of the way the sun and this reflection relates, that beam, that can be called as bioenergy.
This morning satsang you talked about gotras and then passing the DNA memory. Is that different from the biomemory?
No, that is biomemory only.
That's
It's
the
all
same.
in biomemory. It all falls in biomemory.
But it is at a higher level? That it
I
is-
can say deeper level, core level. But finally it gets classified as biomemory only. Even the knowledge of enlightenment is biomemory. Only enlightenment is bioenergy.
So how does DNA relate to the biomemory?
Deepest layers of DNA, deepest layers of biomemory is DNA. It's DNA which is the hardware on which the biomemory software is established. DNA is not software as medical field teaches us. No, it's a mass. It's a matter. A matter-based software is biomemory. That is why biomemory is also matter. That is why this whole process, I am insisting so much on Panchakriya, taking Haritaki powder, all that, because we are working on the matter. If just we work on the memory, it will change after you go back. I am working on the matter on which the memory is established. That's why it doesn't change. It doesn't, you don't lose. Any initiation done just in the mind level will always go away from you. It will never be permanent. Any initiation done in the level of the matter in which memory is established will be permanent and eternal, cannot be taken away from you. Even if you forget that you had it once.
Swamiji, What is the 16th syllable?
That's the sound of the cosmos. Shall we start? Listen. Now, you are in the shape, please listen, you are in the geometry of the cosmos. I am going to insert the sound of the cosmos into you. So the light and sound, light means visual, understand? See, these lines are the visual and the sound is the verbal. The sound is the verbal expression of cosmos, these lines are the visual expression of cosmos. I am going to put both. Sound of the cosmos, visual and verbal expression of cosmos is being inserted into you by cosmos. Understand? And you can't imagine what is going to happen. Just sit and relax. If you want, you can close your eyes. If you want, you can keep your eyes open. Anything is okay. Actually, in the first process, you may not need Atmalinga. In the second, you may need Atmalinga. Just keep it with you. Yes, you can hold it, no problem. First process, you don't need it. So, you can. Because first process, I am going to just prepare you. People should not have too much shock. Glasses are okay, no problem, don't worry. Anybody this high BP, high blood pressure? You are all having your medications? You are taking medication for your... Just drink a lot of water, nothing else. Actually, the BP itself directly does not get affected by the process. But if you are dehydrated, not drinking enough water, feeling sleepy, I don't want that to make you guys faint or feeling giddy. So drink a lot of water and be... Now, the dehydration can cause giddiness, not the blood pressure itself. The process itself does not increase the blood pressure, but if you are dehydrated, it can cause giddiness. So drink a lot of water. Shall we start? Listen. It is tradition that even if you are a great master, you have to use the written leaf to read out the mantra. Even the senior most Shivacharyas, as per the Agama, they should have the palm, that leaves, when they recite the main Moola mantras. Listen. You don't have to close your eyes. You have to repeat along with me. Listen. This is the 16 sounds of cosmos with all its powers expressing. So listen to me and repeat. Om Ka Ye E La Hreem Ha Sa Ka Ha La Hreem Sa Ka La Hreem listen now. The 16th sound, I'll show you how to do. Then you do it. Listen. This area, this two side, you should just raise and lock it on your upper palate. I'll show you. It is not sound, it is called Brahmakshara. The 16th Akshara, all of you understand? This area, just you should raise and put it on the upper palate. I'll show you. When you do this, this also will automatically raise, that is okay. As deep as possible, the deepest throat should be just raised and connected to upper palate. Catching it? That is the 16th sound which cannot be written. That is why it can never be written. How will you write this sound? Tell me. So still it is transmitted. This is the one sound, uncorrupted. Like Devi, nobody can corrupt this sound by writing it. It is always transmitted from guru to disciple, guru to disciple, guru to disciple. Listen, I'll show you once more. See clearly. This two, this area, push it towards the throat, upper palate. Doctor, what is the name of this area medically? Hyoid bones should be locked into upper palate. Am I right? Is the word upper palate up top, doctor? It's called what? Larynx. So, pharynx. So, that, what is this bone you told now? Hyoid bone should be locked into pharynx. So this area should be just locked into. Doctor, can you put this in writing and give me later on? It will be easy for me to give instruction. Because these technical terms I don't know. This area, this two, you should just push it on the top and lock it. I'll show you once more. See. So it is not any sound which can be described in any language. It can only be made. This is 16th Akshara, Shodasi. That Akshara is called Bindu. The Nada of Bindu means sound of the cosmos, source. In that sound, Devi expresses herself. Actually, when you hit that, you will see to the lower abdomen, to the top, the whole thing, that Kundalini will have one line. One trace of Kundalini will shoot up. So listen to the 16th sound once more. I'll show you, then do it. Clear? And actually you don't need to struggle and do. Now I am going to put this into your biomemory. Even if you press your eyes deeply or rub your throat, you will see that sounds are going on in you. Like you will become like a bottle in which that in bottle in which marbles are put. The moment you touch the bottle, that marbles will gla 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 gla, it will move around inside. Same way I am putting these seeds inside you, these mantras, these sounds. The moment you even rub your body part anywhere, that marbles will be going on inside. It will be going on inside you. That is what is ajapa japa. Even in the morning when you are brushing the teeth, if you brush strongly, or when you are cleaning your bowels, if you struggle a little bit, you will see inside that mantras are moving around. Because this gets into your biomemory. In your sleep also sometimes you will see these sounds going around. in you without you repeating. You do not have to repeat. See, if you are trying to repeat, it is like with a small toothpick you are trying to move Everest. When will you? I'm just putting the whole thing into your system. It will go on and on and on. You don't need to struggle with it. You don't need to worry about it. But you need to know the 16th sound. One more thing, you cannot share the 16th sound with anybody. 15 sounds which has been given to you, you can share with anybody. 16th sound you can share only if you become enlightened. And if you share without becoming enlightened, the fellow who receives, you both will be please do not do. Do not initiate anybody into the 16th sound unless this has become experience in you. Means you are established in that Srividya space once for all, then you can initiate. Not before that. And the tradition in which I received this initiation is Sadashiva Rishi. Mahadeva himself expresses his inner space, what it is, that is the 16th sound. If you take, say, Srividya has 11 sampradayas. Agastya Sampradaya, Dattatreya Sampradaya, and various sampradayas. If you take the initiation in Sadashiva Sampradaya, you will receive this same 16th syllable. And there is also a Padabeta, means the different sampradayas use Yasaum as 16th syllable. But I give you guys as I received and became enlightened. And when I received this Srividya initiation, the asana for Guru was prepared, that for initiation everything was ready. And Vibhudananda Devi, Vibhudananda Puri, she only gave me Srividya initiation. She gave all that Sri Chakra Meru which is supposed to be given to me. She arranged everything, did all the puja and everything, gave everything, but she did not sit on the seat from which she has to give me the 16 sounds. It's a red cloth, red sari, put seat, it is empty, and I am waiting for her to sit in the seat and give me the 16 sounds. Suddenly, she just flicked her finger. I saw Rajeshwari sitting and she gave the 16 sounds. She just flicked the finger. And she gave all the 16 sounds and entered into my body and disappeared. And it took maybe around 1 or 2 days for me to settle down, and then I asked her, why you did not get into the seat? Hey, how can I give Shodasi to you? I am only an instrument. Until the end, she did not sit on that seat. But I saw the body print. If somebody sits on the silk sari, how it will be, that print was there.